In today's DIY, I'll show you how to create a simple yet elegant floral vase or candle holder using items that I purchased at Dollar Tree and my local restore. Let's get started. I used one of few light covers that I purchased at my local restore. I applied Gorilla Clear Grip to the smallest opening of my light cover. I applied Gorilla Hot Glue for a temporary hold. I placed the candle holder on top of the glue as straight as possible. Before my glue dried, I adjusted my candle holder to make sure that it was straight. Once my glue dried, I turned my vase over and I applied Gorilla Clear Grip to the inside of my light cover where my candle holder was connected. And this is my vase once I was all done. And here's my vase once I added some flowers. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, here's a few more home decor ideas for you to try. But before you leave, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.